leaving the carnival celebration, going to Miami. And this is our cruise ship. Bye-bye. So long, carnival celebration. See you next time. If we can.
Alright guys, please get ready to ship. You get outside except for you.
Okay, we're out. We're out of the ship. We're out of the ship. Ma'am. Hey baby.
It's okay, I'm the last one on the photo.
Okay, we're out of the ship. Bye-bye, carnival celebration. Welcome Miami. And this is how it goes. It looks like it's cold in here. It's cold in Miami. We are on the building now.
What?
We are on the building. Then we will get our luggage, our check-in luggage.
Or check out luggage.
Oh, check-out luggage. Baggage claim and custom and immigration.
I haven't. Yeah, it's over here. Huh?
Lots of walking here.
This is a very early morning breakfast for me.
Yeah.
And I didn't have a car. I'll check in for the flight tomorrow.
Yeah.
Long walk from the ship to the baggage claim. It's about 3 minutes walk.
Imagine the vessel is big, huh?
More walking.
How many feet? 1800 something.
I posted it. You can see it on Facebook.
What is it called? A baggage lay down.
More walking. More umbrella. It looks like it's raining outside.
These are ones downstairs, these are closed.
Going straight.
Go straight.
Except you want to use elevator.
Just walk. Walk,
Those.
30 meters?
It's 26.
That's the carnival. Now they are pouring the new food. Taking
out the garbages.
taking out the garbage and loading the new
Imagine how many garbage there are, right? Stuff.
1,000 kilos. Those are our garbage. That's the Miami, the city of Miami. I'm just vlogging this embarkation process. That's for the elevator user, and we are the escalator user. 50 years of fun. That's baho. Almost there to our baggage.
Smells like
After
sewage, eh?
5 minutes walk.
Sewage.
Good for you to walk.
And this area is smelly.
Opens up your nose passages.
Someone it says seaweed. There we go. That's our baggage claim.
Oh, very nice. Very good road.
It's very organized. Good. You just look for your baggage based on your zone. There we go. There's a lot of people here, 5,000 people. And we have to find our luggage here. Let's see if we can find it. That's how many luggage in this cruise ship. All the way hanggang doon sa dulo.
It's all there.
Down there?
All of our stuff is there.
Okay. Should be. Our medyas. Okay, we found it. That's our luggage. This one. And that one. We found it. Now we can
Another one.
carry this. You can carry this.
No, it's okay, Sita.
Now we can go.
I follow you.
Easy to find your luggage here. Based on your zone. As long as you have the zone, you'll find it easy.
Right?
Anyone need help with luggage?
Yes.
I would just go. We did not do this when we did our Holland, so we should do the same thing.
Huh?
When we did our Holland thing, we just carry our luggage, right?
Passports to your right, birth
Follow.
certificates to your left.
Follow them.
Passports to your right, birth
That's it.
certificates to your left.
Then we'll go into immigration now. Start with
Passports to your right, birth certificates to your left.
Don't come here. Passport only. You have to show it. Huh? No. Let me go in front of me.
Oh, they have a different line. Now let's see. Now we're heading to the immigration to check our belongings.
Also, you're gonna identify it. That sucks. Socks will come off.
Okay, we're almost out. We have to declare the item declaration zone. Okay, no more video for you. Okay, we're almost out. And that's it. And that's it for the embarkation. Ganyan kadami ang tao dito. That's how many people outside. And we're almost done. Actually, we're done. We're done for the embarkation. And that's how it goes. And then you go home. That's it. Get your taxi. If you're flying, go to the airport. If you need if you have an excursion, then you'll go to your bus. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.